హాయ్ వెల్కమ్ టు బివికా స్టడీస్. మనం ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో డైలీ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ అనమాట డిసెంబర్ 11th టాప్ 15 ఎంసీక్యూస్ని ఈ వీడియోలో మనం చూడబోతున్నాము. మీరు కానీ మా ఛానల్ని మొదటిసారి విజిట్ చేస్తుంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. హూ వన్ ద రవీంద్రనాథ్ ఠాగూర్ లిటరసీ ప్రైజ్ 2020? అమిత్ షా ఘోష్, సచిన్ కుంద్లర్, నిర్మలా గోవర్ధన్ రాజ్ కమల్. Indian journalist author Raj Kamal has honored with the Rabindranath Tagore Literacy Prize 2020 for his novel The City and the Sea. The book publisher Peter Brundle made the announcement on December 9th, 2020. Some Rabindranath Tagore Literacy Prizes అన్నమాట. ఒకసారి వీడియోని పాస్ చేసి చూసుకోండి. What was India's most searched word on Google in 2020? Indian Premier League. Who was the top trending personality in India in year 2020? Arnab Goswami, Amitabh Bachchan, Kanika Kapoor, Joe Biden. Joe Biden, the top trending personality in India 2020, was USA President. టాప్ ట్రెండింగ్ పర్సనాలిటీస్ ఇన్ ఇండియా 2020 లిస్ట్ అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. ఒకసారి వీడియోని స్టాప్ చేసి చెక్ చేసేయండి. విచ్ స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా హ్యాస్ రీసెంట్లీ బీన్ గివెన్ ఏ బయాలజికల్ సర్టిఫికేట్ బై ఏ కివి? జమ్మూ అండ్ కాశ్మీర్, ఉత్తరాఖండ్, అరుణాచల్ ప్రదేశ్, మధ్యప్రదేశ్. That is Arunachal Pradesh. Recently, the kiwi of the state of Arunachal Pradesh has been given an organic certificate. The state of the Arunachal Pradesh has been the first state in India to get this certificate for kiwis. This certificate has been given under the Mission Organic Value Chain Development Scheme for the Northeastern region. Capital is Itanagar, districts are 25, Chief Minister is Pem Kadu. Which state government has launched Mera COVID Kendra app? మహారాష్ట్ర, గుజరాత్, ఉత్తరప్రదేశ్, కర్ణాటక. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఉత్తరప్రదేశ్. ఉత్తరప్రదేశ్ స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్ హ్యాస్ లాంచ్డ్ ఏ మొబైల్ అప్లికేషన్ మేరా కోవిడ్ కేంద్ర దట్ గివ్స్ యూజర్స్ ద లొకేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రీ కోవిడ్ టెస్ట్ సెంటర్స్ విత్ ఇన్ ద రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ 5 kilometers ఇన్ ద స్టేట్. ఇక్కడ మీరు మ్యాప్లో చూడొచ్చు ఉత్తరప్రదేశ్ ఎక్కడుందో. క్యాపిటల్ వచ్చేసి లక్నో, గవర్నర్ వచ్చేసి పటేల్, చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్ యోగి ఆదిత్యనాథ్. వెన్ విల్ నేషనల్ డిజిట్ హెల్త్ మిషన్ బీ రోల్డ్ అవుట్ ఇన్ ఇండియా? జనవరి 2021, ఫిబ్రవరి 2021, మార్చ్ 2021, ఏప్రిల్ 2021. January 2021. The National Digital Health Mission will be rolled out across India in January 2021. The mission held would provided a unique health IDs to each individual that will work as a health account comprising their past medical records, including condition, treatment, diagnosis. The Reserve Bank of India has recently cancelled the license of which bank in Maharashtra? Bank of Maharashtra, Kranti Janti Cooperative Bank, Kolkata Cooperative Bank, Pune Cooperative Bank. Reserve Bank of India has recently cancelled the license of Karad Janta Cooperative Bank located in Karad, Maharashtra. According to the Reserve Bank of India, this cooperative bank did not have sufficient capital to conduct business. He also had no possibilities of earning. Fitching rate has projected the GDP of India at a dash percentage in the fiscal year 2020-2021. -8.8, -10.5, -11.2, -9.4%. The Fitching rate has revised the GDP growth rate of India in the global economic outlook and now expect the economy to contract -9.4% in the current financial year 2020-21 as compared to 10.5% forecast. Which country has banned cotton imports from China, citing slave labor? USA, Russia, Bangladesh, India. USA. The administration of United States President Donald Trump raised the economic pressure on China's western region of Xinjiang, banning cotton imports from a powerful Chinese core military organization that says it forced to labor to detain the Ukraine Muslim. Which player has won the 2020 Male World Athletes of the Year? Nosilis, Daniel Sati, Mundo Duplets, Srige Bukaka. Answer is Mundo Duplets. World record breaker Mundo Duplets, Swedish pole vaulter, has won the 2020 Male World Athletics of the Year. Which player has won the 2020 Female World Athletics of the Year? Katrina Ilbruggen, Yulimar Rogers, Robles Pirando, Olega Rapakova. Yulimar Rojaso, world record breaker Yulimar Rojaso, Venezuela triple jumper, was won the 2020 Female World Athletes of the Year. Some World Athletes of the Year is mentioned here. Please pause the video and check out it. Which of the following Indian wrestler and 11 world has awarded the Sport Person Award? Bridging Pronal, Geeta Fogart, Babita Fogart, Susil Kumar. Indian wrestler Bajrang Puna and shooter Evalin Varlva has been honored the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry Indian Sports Award 2020. Bajrang Puna has also been honored with the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna last year. Which fast bowler of the ICC's latest T20 ranking India team has dropped out of the top 10? Jasprit Bumrah, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, RP Singh, or Ashwin? Jasprit Bumrah. The ICICA latest T20 ranking India team pacer Jasprit Bumrah and Rohit Sharma are out of the top 10. There is no Indian bowler in the top 10 now, and Virat Kohli is 8th and Lokesh Rahul is 3rd in the ranking of batsmen. ఇక్కడ కొన్ని T20 ర్యాంకింగ్స్ అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది లిస్టు, మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. బ్యాటింగ్ సంబంధించిన, బౌలింగ్ సంబంధించిన, ఆల్రౌండింగ్ సంబంధించిన ర్యాంక్స్. Which wicket-keeper batsman announced his retirement from all forms of cricket on December 9, 2020? Rishabh Pant, Parthiv Patel, Dinesh Karthik, Wriddhiman Saha. Parthiv Patel. Wicket-keeper batsman Parthiv Patel announced his retirement from all forms of cricket on December 9, 2020. Parthiv Patel had made his debut in the Indian national cricket team in 2020 against England at Trinidad Bridge at the age of 17 years. He had become Test cricket's youngest cricketer at the time. However, he soon lost his spot in the team, with MS Dhoni emerging in international cricket. Here are some Parthiv Patel records. Please check it. How many Khelo India centers have been announced by the central government for the purpose of providing employment to the retired players? 250 Khelo India centers, 500 Khelo centers, 750 Khelo India centers, 1000 Khelo India centers. 1000 Khelo India Center. The central government has announced the opening of 1000 Khelo India centers with the aim of providing employment to the recently retired sport person With the launch of 1000 Kalo India small centers, retired players will get help in getting employment or in the development of sports culture in the country. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and share the video to all your friends. Thank you.